Meaning Jo Acholi. Welcome back to Chaka Acholi. I'm Jackline Ikang of Hot, and man segment me Kwan Leb Acholi, session 41 on Biti, the Biti subclan of the Acholi, Pajok clan of the Acholi tribe of South Sudan. Okay, I just read right now on Obolka, but since Biti, the information is very limited and it's just 2 pages here, I didn't want to waste too much time, and I just wanted to jump right in and find out about Biti. I want to read about Biti now. Okay, this is one of the subgroups or subclans of the Pajok clan of the Acholi tribe of present-day South Sudan. Okay, if you're from Biti, please leave a comment, share with others, like, okay, subscribe to our channel. If you have any more information about your subgroup or your subclan, please also drop us a DM or private message, whether on YouTube or Facebook. We'll get back right to you. If you would like to be a guest, also send us a private message or a comment under this video. We previously had Olanya Paul from Biti on. You can go back to our YouTube channel to watch that recording on Biti. And now I'm just reading a text research from Stephanie Onyala on the Biti people. Okay, and Olanya, if you're watching, you can leave a comment under this video if you want to verify anything that I'm reading. Okay, okay, Jo Acholi, like before, I think about it, like I find look me Biti come my it's only 2 pages. What you joining on it? Jo Biti gi Doc Ot Martino Ariel Dina ye pa Chaka gi Palom or Palome. Okay, Doc Ariel man Duju Obino gi e Kabedo ma parapat Higma Wabineno Pinkan. Okay, Jo Pachwaga mi Biti. Okay, now remember, Biti has many spellings if they're in other countries, okay? But in Sudan or Southern Sudan, some people may spell Biti as B-I-T-T-I. Some people may spell Biti as B-I-T-I with just 1 T, okay? And the Biti people migrated throughout Sudan and into present-day Uganda and settled with other groups as well, and also settled with people from other ethnic groups. Okay, and then some actually returned and came back into present-day South Sudan or into Southern Sudan, and became part of Pajok or part of other groups. Okay, some Biti people actually migrated and extended their reach far out past Uganda and Kenya. Some actually ended up in places like Niger or Cameroon. Some became part of other ethnic groups and maybe the Gambia or Senegal and stuff like that. But we're not going that far. We're not discussing how far the Luo people went today. We are just discussing the origin and the migration and the settlement of the Biti people into Pajok as the subgroup or subclan Biti of Pajok. Okay? So, like George Ochoni on it, the author wrote, "Te kwarmi Pajok wachani Jo Pachwaha Obino Gi Ibunyoro." Okay? Kala Chin Gin Bene Odaho Wiri Pajok. Okay? So they are one of the original founders or owners of land in Pajok. They are considered Wiri Gang, which means they are the forefathers of Pajok. Okay? This is one of the groups. And they have the rights to land in Pajok, okay, because they are forefather or founder of Pajok, okay? Kajo Palome, well, Palom, Kono, Obino, Ogero, Ikingi, Dok Bong, mean foreigners. Bong means foreigners, okay? So Jo Palome were foreigners, Kibino Gigari from Jo, and Imagi with Pajok. This is the Biti, Pa Chaka Biti, okay? Kidma wabero ka neno I Pajok Lacam, wanongoni tie Dok Ot, and when Magina ye with Pajok mi Pajok, okay? Mana ye Biti Pachwaka, okay, their forefather. Pagaya nyo Pobuk mi Pagaya, Munugin mi Aria, Kapanto Kera, Gia you. Okay. Danamia dog ot angwen man gin duju o okipa jok in mora achiel en mora achiel ento gino bino I dwe maparapat udiro mi pa jok chalo parteno abak gi ogana watch ni jo pagaya aye mau chako doni pa jok. So they're saying it goes jo masa jo pagaya kadung biri ni area. Panto Kera, Yayu. These are the forefathers, the original forefathers of Pajok who settled first in the land of Pajok. These are the original Gang Mi Pajok. We call them Gang Mi Pajok, okay? Or the forefathers of Pajok. Those who came later were given land before, while there was still enough or abundance of land, okay? And it seems like he's speaking to people like Ogana, which is my dad's uncle, to get this information. Okay. Kaningoni. Jupagaya gin mo chaka dani pajok. Gino bino geri kom got ago. Okay. Kabiri obedo dano mi areo. Mi donyo gin obino ogeri kom god kilak miti matie ilokum. Gin obino ogeri lokum. Hajo panto kera obedo dano mi adig gin obino ogeri kom god ago ikin pagaya. Kajo ayu dong obedo dano mi angwen gin bene obino ogeri kom god ago ikin pagaya. Okay. Ononi. Oh, I'm reading with the music. I'm sorry. I want to make sure you guys can hear me properly. My son is crying and I'm not thinking. Okay. So that was the first reading on the Pachwaka people, or the Wikigang of Pajok, which included Biti. The first people, Madonya Pagaya Miari or Biti, Kadong Ngagi, Ka Pantokera, Kadong Ayu. And they all came into Pajok within the same year. Not exactly the same time, but within the same year. These are the founders of Pajok. Okay? Onongoni, Lokmi, Luongonying Gang, Nyo Dok Ot, Ikina Chuli, Kapewa Neno, Ayema Be, Chi Tuero Kilo, Anyoba Nyoba. True, a lot of people disputing information about who we are, our clans and names and migration. It's not easy to discuss our history between Acholi members or members of our community. Okay. Ilogmi te kwarpa Acholi kilo idwanyoba nyoba madom, right? Yeah. La porne obero nying biri. Dano mokena lungo ni Bito. Nyo jopa Bito. Okay? Carcelera waje ibuk mere, the Luo part 1, Luo migration ni, jo biri mi Pajok, onongo gilungo gini biri nyo Bito, gin bena omahoke pi mwagama nok ilobo bunyoro. Okay? Man otime ikare ma Luo pori tie kayenyo kabero. Okay? Ento ka wangio matut ite kwarpa Acholi gi Luo mwanongo ni tie dok od ma gilungo Bito. Biti pa Bito. Te kwarpa Luo wache ni dok od Bito tie anywak. Okay? Ka dok od mi biri tie Pajok. Ka dok od mi jo Bito kono tie pawir. Remember, we were reading about Jopawir. Munu kamabura binoge, okay? Dok od pa jo Bito moken ti pawir. Nyolo lunga giningo kabermaido. Gin duju opore gi ikom chua bunyoro. Okay, this is what I was reading yesterday. Now, some Acholi people or Pajok people when they hear the word Bunyoro, they automatically think, oh, the ethnic group, me Bunyoro Kingdom, Munujo, Ogana. No. Jo Luo or settled come Bunyoro, and Luo including some groups of Acholi. Okay, Gibi Poga, Gikomgi, Jomoko Ben Obino, Gisela Northern Uganda, Jumko Dogo de Sudan, your Southern Sudan. Okay, you have to have an open mind. Okay, you need to understand how my migration you want to get it. Just because you more you associate in your mind, okay, Munudanga Bunyoro Kingdom, you gotta know. Jo Luo Bedekom Bunyoro. Those Luo includes Jo Acholi people. Okay. All right, anyways. Moko poko gi kom jo chua mi bunyoro, okay? Yala jo bir mo keno agi chua bunyoro, nam jo chua bura beno agi kom yala, okay? An dong pe angyo ka nying biri pa biro gi biro duchu tie ka chel wala chel. Okay, there's different groups ki split up jo biri, okay? Mo yiti we are nyuak mo ti bunyoro mo kono ti kan. Okay. Now he doesn't know ka juni por yilung kum gini gen dana chia wala gin nongi po kum gi wana gen gite jo mapat gen jo the same people as biri ko gin nongi te jo biro jo nga lakin all originating from the same place. Okay, yala migration path may have been similar. I can give you po magi okay present day Uganda nyoy Bunyoro Kingdom. Okay, look biro Leb Acholi tien look ni ke nyokal. Okay, mau agi e biro mi bunyoro pien kalma dit pa choa tie ilobo bunyoro. Okay, exactly. Okay, that's the history of the Biti people. Okay, one neno I would pa bura mi pajok. One neno I would pa bura mi pajok ni inge wahagi pajul wala pajule jo choa opoga a day. Dana mokena chiro yo tung nyango, dana mokena odok yo tung malo, ka dana mokena kono o chiro yo tung poro cheng. Nen chalo jo biri mi pajok, gi wore gi e chua mau ki pajul wala pajule, gi dok yo tung poro cheng ka gino okwere wa e pakwach ma ikarami achonya gilungo ni pobung. Okay, so gi agi kom jo chua mi pajul wala pajule gi chira wi pakwach. Okay, jomol ni pabungu nyo pubungu take war pachuli waje ni biri opoke wagi kom jo chua ki I pakwach. Okay, mono gi okere we pakwach kenyone mono that's the time jo biri hagi kom jo chua. Remember jo chua they were troublesome gimana luan giga dire because of famine luan gine jo bura mo gi agi kom gi group mo ben gi agi kom gi bilong kom gi jo gi mapat. That includes jo biri ben gi agi kom gi by the time gi pakwaji agi kom joni. Okay, duan bene wajoni bira nyojo lango mi Sudan obino gi bunyoro gino pore la chien ki kom biri choa ki pakwach. Crasolera o wajo kwere ni jo bira mi Sudan nen chalo gin onongo tie I kin luak mau pore ki pakwach jo bira nyo jolango mi Sudan nen chalo gino onongo tie I kin luak mau pore ki pakwach gino chiro ogere I got agoro. Okay, so jo lango gi chiro got agoro. Okay, ki pakwach jo biri mo keno chiro I Belgian Congo. You see, jo biri gi chiro so far. Okay, gi chiro Congo, gi chiro kan, gi chiro Cameroon, gi chiro kama bojo kini. So those of you who have close minded thinking jo biri nang iti ka chel, nyo jo chol git nang iti ka chel, nyo jo lo iti ka chel. Well, kagi passed through kingdom mo kenama is not a Luo ethnic nation. Or Luo ethnic group nation doesn't mean boy okuja ki bero under certain rules kage get chera. Okay, so John get chera we Belgian Congo jo biri get chera Congo Mogi Gichiro Giti Cameroon, Ti Niger, Giti Kankan. Okay. All right. So just read widely, please. Boy. Gichiro Mogo Chiri Belgian Congo, Kala Chen, Gilungo Komgini, Jo Panikango. Okay. Gi Kenyu, Biri mi Pajoko Ochira Ogere Komgot Ago, Milo Kum, Kama Yuaya Onoginti Iya. Source any Crasolera 1954. Okay. Ka Jopa Biro mi Uganda Opoka Gi Kom Biri mi Pajok Gi Kom Pakwach Gin Ochira Ogera e Kabera Megi Martin Gin Tia Iya. Okay, so Jo Pabiro mi Uganda Gi Pore Gi Kom Biri mi Pajok. Okay. Kagin ngoni mono gitie gina e pakwach kagi chiro gi ger ka ber tuki tin megi kamatin gitie ye e pajok. Okay. So Jo Panikango mi Congo olungo kumgi kidman mi achiel pien gin miro nyurubot dano mokene ni kari bed gin tie i Congo dano miro ongeni gin pori luakpa buot nyikango mishiluk. Okay, mami kango gi nyoy jo gina nyikang gi omeko gi siblings gi lwanyo dumo gi dimo gi wen jo biri eni malo lungi ni panyikango gi chulungo kungi ni panyikango i Congo ni. They want people to know nigi bino gi shil gen jo luo pori jo panyikango. Okay. Kamia Rio gino chako nying man mi po kwere i kom shiluk piena chulio bino gi i shiluk kin mawa bero kaneno ne i durmi achiel i bookman lo panyikango ki Leb Acholi tien loke ni luak pa nyikango. Okay. Wanyang dong ni jo bura gi jo biri mi Pajok kin duju obino gi bunyoro. Okay. Tie ni na chiel ma abedo ka penyolo dira beach mi Pajok i Juba pien anongo amirongyo ka jo bura gi biri kino gi bunyoro ki dano mokene nyo gin gin kengi. Okay. Gigu marach lo dir man duchu pe tuero gamo peny mera. Ento Crasolero wachini jo bura gi biri gi bunyoro gin oworo gi dana mokene. Dong jo ma gin oworo kwedgi imwaga maja obero dana mi dok ot man. Okay. Yala. Jo mi ki mo woro kwedgi imwaga maja obero dana mi dok ot man. Jo mo agi bunyoro mokene lo lungo gini jo gaya, jo choa bura, jo lebki, jo mia, jo chobo, jo kwongo, jo kwanga, jo jimo, jo biri, nyo biro, jo senge, ka jo bobi, nyo jo bob. Okay. Yala. Wanongo ni ki kom dana man duchu jo choa mi bura, jimo, biri, nyo biro, gi kwanga aye luo gi kome. Okay, these are Luo groups, Luo people. Munu dana poka gi bunyoro. Okay, these are the Luo people gi bunyoro. Okay, open your ears and listen widely, please. Dok od man bene nonge ikina Acholi Sudan gi Acholi Uganda. Ento jo gaya chobo gi bobi gin mari mauchiro nene ibunyoro kajo lebki mia gisenge kono wan pe wangyo mabe lok mi dok ikomgi pien dok od man gin kidman pere ilo Acholi nyoalu ati tamni jomomo agi bunyor e cha senge gine munu joma chiro as far as Central Africa, Western Africa. Okay, bir munu nyojo mi bunyoro munu nyojo luo mogone gicher as far as Central Africa and Western Africa. Okay. Um, Now regarding Jo Biri Palom wala Palome. Okay, this is the first time I'm hearing about this name. Te kwar pa chuli wacha ne Jo Palom wala Palome obino gi e obo koyo. Okay. Ki gumaraj pe anongo la dit mi palom wala palome wek apen mi nyang kid magin o woro kwede. Mi ario amiro nyam pingo Jo Palom wala palome o weko lobo bo kabir ma kech pe uh, ma kech pe nero a ie dano. Okay? Pian kinyo o tingo pin guana. Pian kinyo o tingo pin guana angok. Okay? Nongo lok ma chaloman nongo lok chaloman o dogo tek bora. Okay? Ento again on a second edition, Church Mi Aria, Mi Bookman, Wabi Nongo, Look, Ma Pol, Ma Dok, Ikom, Dano Mi, Palom, Willa Palome. So he wasn't able to find enough information about Johnny, who your elders took him in a court. So by the time I job booking information, my don't pay like in the agio ball, Jo Koyo Mi ball. Okay? He didn't know why they would leave a place that had enough food for everyone, a fertile land, Chalkoyo, and in a ball where they had quinoa for food there. They have enough in stock for people to eat during famine. Why would they leave there to go to settle as part of the Biti people of Pajok? So he wasn't able to get answers to these questions because he could not find elders from this subgroup of Biti, the Palom or the Palome people. Okay, so he stated here that he's writing a second book, a second edition to this book. I'm not sure if he published that yet or not. I will search for it if so. Otherwise, looks like I'm gonna have to look for other information and other texts or other research or speak to elders to see if I can gather more information about this subgroup, Palome of Biti. Okay. If you're from there, please drop a comment, share, drop a comment, send me a private message so we can discuss. I know we already spoke to somebody once before from Biti. Maybe we can find more information from other people as well. Okay, boy. Now regarding Team Gigot by Biti. Okay, this is regarding the land and any type of mountains belonging to the Biti people in Pajok, present day Pajok, South Sudan, present day South Sudan. This is what he wrote if they had land and if they had any mountains within their territory. Uh, this is what he wrote. He said, Biri tie gitim abichel. Okay, now remember, they're one of the forefathers of Pajok. So, of course, Gitie get land. Of course, they have land. Okay, so they have six territories within Pajok, or six pieces of land, I guess, belong to the Biti people. Okay, so they said Biti team Tiguti Abichel. Okay, Mana ye team Agolo Gi Odo, Agolo Gi Odo, team Yamo Okoro, team Chin. Whoa, what? Okay, let me read that again. Biti Tigi team Abichel, Mana ye team Agolo Gi Odo, Igolo Gi Odo, Yala team Yamo Okoro nga team Chin Nyari. What? Chin Nyari Pinga. Team Chandek, that I heard of from Olanya. Team Chandek. Team Achamo Langa. What? What is going on? Team Achamo Langa. Kagin Kagi team Odegi Lodonga. Can you Degi Lodonga, huh? Team, they have very, very unique subgroup names or names of land in Biti, within the Biti community. Okay, Yamokoro, Chinyari, Chandek, Achamolango, Adegi Lodama. These are the names. Dana Machon, Mao no Koro Seriba, Biti Man, Yobo team. Okay. Gi Dana Manyin, Ma Koro Chiriba, Miti Man, Pe Wangyo Nyingi. Look Mokene Ma Ower, Nongo Nying Dano Ma Koro Sheriba, Miti Man, Odotek, Ena Yeni, Moon Pa Gereng, Okerodano Ata, Okerodano Ata, Ma Ower, Nongo Look, Ye Bot Lodiro, Oberotek. Jo Biri Bene Tiegi Got, Magi Lungo, Got, La Got, Loak, La Got, Loak, Got to Ento Biri Kari Bet Gin Weri Pajo Mi Pajok, Wanone Gin Piregi Jok. Wow. They're one of the forefathers and founders of Pajok with a lot of land, but they have only one mountain as opposed they're significant for that specific community. It's called Lagot Luak. Lagot Luak. Okay? But they have no job. They don't have like maybe they believe in God, but they don't have like a significant high power that that they believe in. Okay? So I end there about Biti. I'm not gonna read any further than that. Tomorrow I will read about the Pagaya people. Remember the people, Mobino first. One of the forefathers is Pagaya. Okay, so it's Pagaya, Biti, and then Jo Kera, and then you, forefathers of Pajok. Tomorrow we'll read about Pagaya. Please leave your comments, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel. We are on YouTube as Chaka Leb Acholi. Okay, this segment of reading or Kwan Leb Acholi is within the platform. Apo Matek. My son is crying again. Okay, bye. Okay.